Firmware updates are crucial for your Targus docking station. They fix bugs, improve compatibility with new devices and operating systems, enhance security, and can even add new features like 8K video support. Skipping updates can lead to connectivity issues, performance problems, and potential security vulnerabilities. First, download the Targus Firmware Updater from the official Targus website at targus.com. Install and launch the app. Connect your Targus docking station to your computer. The app will automatically detect your dock and check for available updates. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the latest firmware. Don't disconnect the dock during the update. In some cases, you might need to perform a manual firmware update. This is typically necessary when automatic updates fail for older models or when troubleshooting specific issues. Manual updates provide a reliable fallback method. First, download the firmware file. Go to the Targus website and locate the .bin file for your specific docking station model. Make sure to choose the correct version for your device to avoid compatibility issues. Next, enter bootloader mode. Consult your docking station's user manual for exact instructions. Typically, this involves holding the reset button while connecting power to the dock, which puts it into a special mode ready for firmware flashing. Finally, use the firmware flash utility. Open the software provided by Targus or a compatible tool like Odin for certain models. Load the downloaded .bin file, select the appropriate options, and start the flashing process. Monitor the progress and avoid disconnecting the dock during this critical step. After the flash completes, power cycle the docking station. Verify the update was successful by checking the firmware version in your computer's device manager or system information. If issues persist, consult Targus support for further assistance. After the update completes and your dock reboots, confirm the installation was successful by opening the Targus Firmware Updater app and checking the firmware version listed for your dock. You can also find this information in your computer's device manager on Windows. Or check the system report on macOS for the firmware version details. Verify that the displayed version matches the latest available firmware to confirm a successful update. If you encounter problems during firmware updates, start by ensuring your dock is properly connected and powered. Temporarily disconnect any non-essential peripherals like external drives or printers to avoid interference. If the update still fails, some newer Targus docks include built-in firmware recovery modes that can help restore functionality. For detailed troubleshooting, refer to Targus's online support resources or consult your dock's user manual. Always use certified cables with your docking station to ensure compatibility and avoid connection issues. Ensure your laptop is powered and connected to a stable power source during the update to prevent disruptions. Avoid interrupting the update process to prevent potential damage to the docking station. Back up your data before updating. Although this is rarely required, it's good practice for peace of mind. Targus is moving towards more automation with AI-driven updates integrated with Windows Update. Future updates will include power efficiency optimizations. Expect cloud-managed ecosystems for docks with self-updating capabilities via IoT. Enhanced security with quantum-resistant encryption.